For one powerful Tory wey shake Uromi, Isan North-East local government area of Edo State former Governor Senator Oshiomhole don send warning to the current administration, especially Governor Godwin Obaseki, say make e stop to dey deny the All Progressive Congress APC access from using public facilities for campaign. As e dey talk for APC word-to-word rally for Uromi town, Uzia and Evoyi community inside Isan North-East local government area, Oshiomhole no hold back as he accuse Obaseki say im don betray the people trust and dey block opposition from using public facilities wey taxpayers don fund. Oshiomhole wey sabi dey talk strong, no use mouth play as he warn Obaseki say make e change direction or face the consequences. E con talk say if Obaseki continue on this path of pettiness, dem go deny am the right to use federal infrastructures like roads and airports. Oshiomhole con remind the people say during im time as governor, im allow PDP use public facilities, but Obaseki no wan extend that courtesy to APC. As election dey near, Oshiomhole con urge the people of Uromi to support APC and reject Obaseki's candidate as im accuse am say e don fail to deliver on important campaign promises like creating 200,000 jobs, building mini stadiums and developing Gelegele Seaport. Senator Adams Oshiomhole come also advise Senator Mode Okpegolo, wey im address as Governor Mode, say make e no run bitter government if he win as governor of the state.
I don't place order for new disco pan where I go wear on September 23rd. To celebrate the referendum between darkness and light. So now we just dey test the microphone. But let me start with something, Governor Monday. Both to inform you but also to advise you. When you become the governor of this state and you are sworn in on the 12th of November 2024, you must know that politics is not war. I was asking my people, why are we coming back here? Because we were here a few days back. If they say Uromi, this is not the only Uromi. You know the answer they gave me? Governor Obaseki refused APC to use the premises of the school that God used me to build when I was governor of this state. So I have told them, listen, government property does not belong to the governor of the day. The governor is a tenant. He's a tenant in power. He cannot dictate to the landlord. The people are the landlord. You are the landlords. So I've told them, if we are ever going to do anything anywhere, we will use the government school built with the people's money, particularly the ones I built. Because if he carried politics beyond the bound of reason and deny us the right to use public property, we can deny him the right to drive on federal roads. We would deny him the right to fly through federal airports. We would deny him the right even to breathe federal air. Because sometimes in life, you need to let some people know that they don't have monopoly of madness. So I told them they should go and open that school. Next time I'm coming to Uromi for a rally, it must be in that school. He's not the one who built it. Governor Monday. I said Governor Monday. Because if God has decreed it, who can avoid it? When I was governor here, we were to have our own rally at the Bemudia Stadium. Then the wife of the dead President Goodluck Jonathan said PDP want to have a rally the same day. I was the governor. And I said, give it to PDP, let them do their own. When they finish, we do our own. They used the stadium twice. but in the end, I defeated them. A good heart cannot be defeated. So who is the guy who will say we can't use what belongs to the people of this state? We cannot be chickens in our own territory. Those are old-fashioned, analog, out-of-date politics of hate, politics of bitterness. That is not the politics you will do. Because from my lesson, when you treat people with respect, God will invest the word on you. So PDP used Edo government schools when I was governor. They used Obaseki Stadium when I was governor. I never stopped anybody from using our facilities. So I asked guys, if we open the school and use it, can he fight? Does he have federal police? No. Is it the people who are carrying a double, what do you call it? Compassion. They go stop us? No. So, if person no respect you, respect yourself. So, those who are aged here tell him, for as long as he drive on federal roads, he fly through federal airports, he even enter federal headquarters called Villa to hold meeting without pay rent. He drive in federal capital territory. He cannot and we will not allow him to restrict us free movement in our own state, particularly when he no build even one classroom. But this to advise you, don't copy bad people, copy good people. Bad people know they go far. If I did bad things, can I come here now? I am studying by you today. The way Biden is studied by Kamala Harris in America. Where is Obaseki to start with? As well, Godaro, you don't fit. Why is he hiding? Why is he hiding? So, Opo, you were council chairman when we built one market there. Which one Obaseki's council chairman don't do? We have every reason to be proud of our stewardship. And we can't be afraid of all these mushrooms who mismanage and bleed our state almost to a point of death. I want to make friends, but I'm also capable of fighting those lizards and cockroaches who think that they have become what they are not. Somebody hear me something? So never again. We are not going to go to one place twice because one outgoing, one outgone. He said we can't use what belongs to us. How can a tenant dictate to the landlord? You are the landlord. You made me. You also have to make him. And now it is time to unmake him and deny him the chance to choose the successor. He's not a traditional ruler. He cannot name you succeed him. Hallelujah! I think the distinguished senator told you everything, only that I didn't tell you he was also chairman of public accounts, which is very important. To make sure that federal money is properly spent, and if it's not spent, he has the power, and he used that power to query them. Some of them vomit, what they don't swallow. The way Obaseki will vomit. Everywhere I picture, we went to who's there now, and I asked a young man who was executive director of Internal Revenue Service when I was governor. I said, why are we here? He told me, we cannot now drive to the palace of the Enoge of Uzea because the road is cut off. I asked him, what about where I landed the chopper and we had a rally there? He said, we can't go there because erosion has washed up the place. So families cannot visit each other. because of the terrible performance of Asbe Godaro as chairman of Ala Godaro and Obaseki as governor. Where are they talking? Somebody say go carry me go court. I said the case where against him, it's there for court now. For your head. For your head. Because the Jesus Christ that we worship, we don't support somebody who foiled document. Allah, we don't support somebody who cheated his way to ticket. You say, what can I be go court? I go court now. So let me not make one clear because everything that needs to be said has been said. Except to remind the television people, all those TV hosts who are calling for debate, we are ready. But charity begins at home. Monday, our governor, Monday Upaulu, Akpako Rescuer, Akpako Tender, Akpako Miracle, Akpako Rescuer, don't say. He and that's where Godaro, both of them coming from Edo Central, they will have debate. Because don't forget why this is important for those who want to say what the issue of language there is. This election is not like any previous one. This one, Edo people say they want unity. So let this thing come to Edo Central, Isan people. So anybody who has become a majesty Isan man, he will debate in Isan language with our candidate. And I want the media to note, the first language Isan man spoke, the first language, me, when I the first language I spoke was my mother tongue. Before they carry me go school to learn English. So to test who is an Isan man, to be eligible to contest, the debate must be in Isan language, in Isan language. And it will be moderated. It will be moderated by the finest brains in Isan land. When you don't finish from home, then you can go out. Not when you go to camp, say charity begins. So debate will begin. That's only my central message to them because every other one I be don't talk about. Water, he no do. School, he no do. Teacher, he no employ. Road, he no do. Hospital, he no do. The one when you there, he demolished. He put museum. He demolished library. He put shopping mall. We can go on and on and on. He said go do Gelegele pond. Many people don't know say no. He do the Gelegele pond. There is a in the city. Once it rains, you see Gelegele everywhere. Then we for some people, our traditional rulers, they roll out the drum. As they did happen, they say Obaseki say he's going to put airport for Edo North. So we're going to take Oroplay land for Jetu. They made 30 days old. We don't see anybody who. So I don't want to be with that I don't talk before. On September 21st, in fact from 20th, rest well. Very early morning on 21st, Kale Pakegumi, I go away Pakegumi. Why you want to wear Pakegumi? I will wear Pakegumi so that all the chair guy wearing my favorite, I don't go share that day. For you, you know when they ready wear Pakegumi, even if your husband don't begin, I go wake up. So everybody go wake up. I know in our culture, when you wear that white powder, what do you mean? Celebration. What do you mean? That is why everybody go must to get pancake. Me, I go get pancake for 21st. You go tell your husband before you go begin take my one, go and food. Mama, you know where but your job, they pay you, will carry you go. You go vote, will carry Mama go rest. Youth, are you ready to protect the vote?
Yes.
When you have these able-bodied young men and women, you have to be a man without blood on your head to try to cheat. Women, no, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
No woman, no nation. And I know when women speak, the ballot paper understand. Women speak, ballot paper understand. And I also know, do what you have always done. For every 10 men you will see in the queue, you will see 20 women. But also that is because some men get 2 wives, 3 wives, 4 wives. Legally. When I get Muslim now, as a Muslim, we can take 2, 3, 4. Me, I lazy, my baba lazy, he has 1, so I copy my papa, I have 1. But one day it's up to you. So, are you going to mobilize the women to come and vote? Don't say it is already done. It is not done until it is done. I told them at this, who's there? I was surprised. My mother is about 93 now. The day Monday came to Auchi, my mother went pancake. You saw her. Me, I didn't even know. I was too busy playing grammar. So I gave her, I said, Mama, we go. He said, no, he too, in the support Monday. If people in their 90s support Monday, people in their 70s support Monday, comrades, they support Monday, women, they support Monday, young men and boys, they support Monday. Monday, no tree, nobody can uproot you because God has granted you. I know, like I said last time, if you look me and him, only say fresh past me.
Adding to the momentum, APC Deputy Governorship candidate Honorable Dennis Idausa come echo Oshiomole's thoughts, calling this election a must-win for the party. The governorship candidate Senator Modu Ekpegolo come also yarn the people in 5-point agenda for Uromi and promise say im go tackle insecurity, revamp education system, improve infrastructure, enhance healthcare and boost agricultural development.
Thank you very much. I'm a little bit confused. And I want somebody, especially the cameras. Is this a senatorial rally or a few words put together? Camera, show it very well, let the enemy see. I know they hear well. My people now do well. With the crowd, when we see here, for just few words, it is clear that Uromi has spoken. Uromi will deliver Kakomiza. If that is true, raise up your hand. Uromi, oh yeah! So our people, I just want to talk a few things. Because when I see my principal, the next governor of Edo State, by the grace of God, is a young man. He is 53 years old. And me, that's myself, by the grace of God, the next deputy governor, I am 44 years old. Is there youth in the house? Yes, sir. The great Uromi youth! The great Uromi youth! I'm going to appeal to you that the job of the youth is to vote and protect your vote. Yes. We are aware that they are kind of sewing a lot of police uniforms, military uniforms, keeping them for the election. We, myself and my principal, and even Okoje, We are not a stranger to ballots. This election is extremely important because the future of our lives, future of our unborn children depend on it. We are also aware that they are using local government resources, the money meant to develop locality, your streets, your wards, your units, they are diverting it to fund election. By the time will come, so this is a very, very strong warning to all the 18 local government chairmen in Edo State. When Obaseki is voted out on the 21st of September, you will face the judgment. So now, if you know what is good for you, use that money to develop the locality. Number 2, myself, my principal, have made it clear that he is coming to develop Edo State. Now, how do we develop Edo? He is coming to speak to it because my boss, the incoming governor of Edo State, we want, although my principal will speak to it, but let me say a few things. Number 1, we came through the road, the express, that's Uromi Agbo Road. It's in deplorable condition. And we have a state governor. Usually, state governments will use their state resources to develop or to construct such roads, and the federal government will reimburse them. I'm a member of House of Representatives, and my colleague is here. We have been reimbursing most of the state governments of their previous developments, infrastructural development in their various states. But since Oshiomhole left, we have not seen any voucher from the federal government to the state government. The one Oshiomhole did before he left, Obaseki were reimbursed with over 16 billion naira. What did he do with that money? Now, in 2016, Obaseki promised the youth 200,000 jobs. Has he done it? Has he done it? What about women and youth empowerment? I'm going to please the incoming governor of Edo State. I'm going to pray that God Almighty in heaven will never allow a governor like Obaseki to rule Edo State again. And I'm also aware that God Almighty is the only one that had brought someone like the incoming governor, distinguished Senator Monday Ukwebulu. Because it's only God. It is not he that willeth, nor he that runneth, but of God that sheweth mercy. God has brought him to come and redeem the lost pride of Edo. God has brought him to bring a massive development to Edo. God has brought him to be able to position our youth in major positions across the land. And he's going to transform area of education, agriculture, health, and the list goes on. So on that note, join me, welcome the incoming governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Ukwebulu, No chairs, no teachers, under education. Adi employed teachers, over 5,000 teachers. Adi declares state of emergency on education because a guy now is school year the work, teacher the work, building the work, nothing. So we have to declare state of emergency on education. Number two, we are going to declare state of emergency on security. Because without security, there is nothing you can do. You can't go to the market, you can't go to farm, there is nothing at all. You can't even go anywhere. So, very important.
We have decided.
Number three, my mama boy, my mom is avoiding now. Money solve the issue of water problem. Honors them now. I do what they know. I got each other yet to now. Infrastructure, roads. We are going to build road for our people. Number five, agriculture. I can introduce modern farming, mechanized system of farming. Because these areas are areas of critical, that will take critical attention. Let me beg you, 21st of September, we are going to speak. I can run in February last year. 11 by 11, I'm a boy now. Is it going to be like that? What are the people? Why don't I know them enough?
Director General of Campaign Senator Matthew Rohide, Director General of Edo Central Senatorial District Prince Odianose Okoje, State Woman Leader Betsy Okoebo Benson, and other leaders come yarn the people say make them vote for the betterment of the state. The party also received some deflectors for Uromi.
Original pikin, when we say we decide, say for APC make we get the ticket for governor, so that Isan people too go get sense of belonging. Say it's their turn, because after Abdusali that time we bring Senator Oshiomhole, and he did only 14 months for office before they remove him. Since that time, there's some people don't get governor again. And we can't talk, say, all of us, when they Edo State, all of us are from one family. Whether you be Isha, whether you be Bini, whether you be Afema, all of us are from one house. Everybody will be brothers and sisters. That's why we can't decide, say, we will give the governorship to Isan. So, say, who be the person when we will give for Isan? When we will be say the people of Isan go happy. Now we can't decide, say, the person when we have voted for, when we will senator now, when we have made senator last year, now be the person when the people of Isan say they want. From Edo South, even me, when we senator, I say, we for like to contest, but we could make we respect these people. Make we be say, then we say that person won't make senator, now we go down. Now we make this one begin when they do something for us. This one begin when before we become senator, you don't know why there's some people. Now be the person we will take. Now we can't choose Mondo Pawolo. When people take God eye look at, we know say the real child of God. That the real child of Isan people, Isan land, now we take out. Will I remember all the things we don't do here? All the things when Mondo Pawolo do for Isan people before he becomes senator, and all those things we do for now. Particularly the time when insecurity days around, when nobody they feel go farm, when we say fear catch everybody, kidnappers, everything they down. Mondo Pawolo, una come from una security outfit. I remember Mondo Pawolo alone, una beg all una children when they home and abroad, when they can't help una. Only Mondo Pawolo, they buy 5 Sienna vehicles to put. Mondo Pawolo contributed millions of naira. Take joy. He don't know that I say he will become senator. He provide water for our people. He build school. He make road. He give free bus. Give to una when I tell water. Now they take no better picking. See as God they do something now. Today, Mondo Pawolo, when you not even want the governor, when God don't say that you do, now we take. Now we take off. Don't be say you could get power, or you could get money. As God don't test him for life. Now we take off. Where we come from, Benin, where we don't be senator for 8 years. Then we say who we go take from Benin side and those side. When we go take pair up with Mondo Pawolo. Now we can't look at our own picking. We can't see Dennis in the house when they House of Representatives now. 2 times that we don't vote for her to go to House of Reps. Then we say this one going to be better junior brother to Mondo Pawolo when they Senate. Dennis in the house 5 years now in those states for House of Reps. If you read of your federal constituency, the South don't do very many things. All the people there say that there is the house that will vote for. See, I say election go do easy for us. If you take Dennis in the house, take join Mondo Pawolo. As of Mondo Pawolo, they here for Isan. That's all that's a day for us for Benin land. Now we say as we pay them because they don't do, election go day, the people will like it. The only two of them. 9-day National Assembly. Now the people elect. No other person today when they contest, whether they're for PDP, for Labour, or any other party, only these two people now get the mandate of the people. They have popular support. Some people you employ. Because the only way you can know what the man of him be, now the thing when you don't do pass. Anybody will not get heart of God. Anybody will not get sympathy for people. They can never be a good government. If anything, God forbid, you don't vote for him, you are going to take us back. Everybody when there's alarm, by the grace of God, we are not going back. I said we are not going back. We are going to vote for Mobilizing. When I become governor, as I become governor, he will do you people well. He will rule the state well. The days of plenty will return, and the happiness of the people will come back.
Obaseki, Obama, we know Luawi, Uromi. Only one project now, your Obaseki, Lu, or Riva. And the AG rumors of Obaseki, Ole Aswengo Dalo. Aswengo Dalo, Tamare Boalu. Now, Vesarebe, Jabaseki Kida winner. Now, Aswengo Dalo, or the Sabaru and the Vale Besantia, yeah. Obano Rebesa, Obale never, no. Onale bima weba mona eta yenya alumano oyona lele olema za rigo na momo arigo no pawelo momo makile no digo save para we we abajo be ko vote na okwe lo aribeni olema re kirwe dani oba re become the law in not auji okwe wo ariwe wa uromi biesa re kidia beja utija
This honorable distinguished senator, Accusations and Mondo Pebo, any motor when you get a guy need a bit, I'm not it. Okay, for Muriman, I'm never boy. I use a best from another nearby for one another life of life. I go back, and yeah, we wake up with your Nigo back. Where may money go? Where money go? Hospital, no, hospital, what are your age? Or is that what I'm on the hospital? They got your year. You were put in the young they go to another money hospital. Obaseki back get that one. Honey baby, I have to see what I'm able to now. I have Mondo Pebo Batabotina. They were Pulo.
Here.
also a dosage. So he send the soldier, he send the police. Mais ta maman là, et ta goudou d'agbare. Et ta goudou d'agbare Denis. Denis, I will on the 21st of September. My civil war never got a vote. All that you work here, you work here. Work on all you. Election one last year, I like to organize the PDP, but I like to win on. But at the end of the day, the promise and everything, that is the major problem like that on my own. They promised me I will bring 10 people so that I will empower them. For I didn't bring people for 10 people, they said they want to empower them. And if you bring 10 people, Madam Leadership, they may have to submit their passport at all. Our former Assembly, Malo Kodua, I work for that man very well. My senior brother is commissioner in the Yellow Lower. Rafe. I don't know what Rafe. I don't know what Rafe. All your wood men. But I can't come. If you tell him and they tell Obaseki no power, they don't promise me that will give us for $1 million. My share tell me to let you know that. I come, me that 5 10 that do have, but they want to build our fish pond. Me that spending on the fish pond. After that, he didn't send the $1 million. To even withdraw that $1 million, I know you feel withdraw 10 naira. After 3 months, he said Obaseki and Oshiomhole were ready to banana. They go out on a book. Aswe Bagi, all I use, that is telling back. After they gave us the $1 million, every day I come to check my last. $1 million. I first, I enter in here, go quarrel with the selling back. They say, go and meet your governor. I call my brother, I say, brother, $1 million, I don't feel withdraw $1 million. He said, hold on, we'll withdraw the money. After 3 months, I wake up, I don't see $1 million. Because of that, everything is our next governor. Always that and somebody, you don't know in this village now. Making all the valley host the meeting, you all shoot. Before you come, I need to inform this our house of prayer and they need the street light. That street light is our matter. Remember, host the meeting will know. They street light, they must be rolled before election. And that means my one guy this Alice. Alice people are coming young, which are going to try and own meeting. Alice is there, you or the back calling. Because of that, only when your man will have APC. APC! PDP is people to see people. Until we are better than the local government elections. Maybe the PDP to say as when they say, there is no position given to us. Let me just tell you today. Everyone just to see you and leave it out to say I don't know, but to one thing you want to say, there is no illegal integrity, illegal chairman, illegal secretary, so the next thing we have to come back to
For one talk with our Tory person, the Ezomo of Uromi, Chief Henry Irogbe, Honorable John C. Adamu, and others contacted Senator Modi Okpebholo na the best governorship candidate for Edo State, and them they urge the people of Edo to come out plenty to cast their vote for him on Saturday, September 21, 2024.
The campaign, as we going back on the campaign, now for the betterment of the state, for the good of the state, because we have a good and sellable candidate. When I know the mind where people they talk, we one person where we go fear ourselves, somebody will go do something for the people. All the people when they come, they talk grammar. Grammar not be grammar we go eat. Now grammar we don't eat before. So what we want, and a person where they serious, we get close to the people, we know the substrate, we know the environment, we know the terrain. So we don't know how to go to navigate the whole place. So we don't want somebody who will come from outside. We don't want an outsider. We want an insider that knows the terrain. That's exactly the essence. That's why we are voting for him. That's why we are here today. That's why we are campaigning for him, because we know he will deliver.
The campaign is fantastic, as you can see. with what you are seeing here now, it shows say the people there with us. And from all angles, you see say the people they come out from everywhere to show this man love. It shows say now the real homeboy when we talk about this. He has a connection with the people. That's why when he came out for Senate, they first give him a mandate. Now when the governorship was not zoned to Edo Central, the people say no, the Senate when we give you too small. Oh yeah, let's go further so that you can be the governor of Edo State, so that you'll be able to take care of Isan agenda proper. And that's what you are seeing here today. This is just about 2 or 3 words. You can see the population. Even inside the rain, people are not ready to move. That's love. That's support. That's homeboy. And Isan agenda is a very strong agenda that Isan people are not ready to give unto anybody. They must give it to their son they know, they trust. A son that have been tested and trusted before. So that's why we're here.
What will be your advice to people?
See, this election is an election that the Isan people must speak to the world. And the only way they can do that is when they carry their vote, give Akpakomiza, because he's a true Isan man. He can speak Isan. If you tell Akpakomiza, say you are hungry, you understand where you are coming from. We will not give that mandate to a stranger. The other people, they are strangers. As Isan agenda must be an Isan agenda headed by an Isan man. And Akpakomiza is the right man for that job.
This our governorship candidate, Monde Okpewolo, Akpakomiza. We are here to tell our people, say, this man, now person wey get good mind for the people, to work for the people, to work for the whole Edo people, particularly the Isan people. Monde Okpewolo, this Uromi when we dey so now they born am. Now for here it grow. Nobody went on know am for this Uromi. Our people when they here, happy when they happy, so they know say their pikin when they born, now go win this election. Because say they know am for Uromi here, now for Uromi here they born am. You see this thing when they call am broom, so broom when they take the sweep for outside. He don't carry am for head, sell for market for Uromi here. Not be today, as they grow up, he don't they do good thing for this community. He gets so many village for this community where he put borehole when people they take water for free. So this man, we they tell our people say, may they not go waste their vote for other political party, because this our son, he get the mind to work. Now person when be say he not they talk too much. Person when go work not they talk too much. So that is why we are all here to rejoice with him that come 21st September, our people know say na he go win. God don't already talk am.
According to APC, the rally for Uromi not just be political gathering, but na call for change. With Senator Oshiomhole they lead the charge, and Okpegolo they promise to be a governor of the people. APC ready to make strong push for the battle of Edo State future. Say as the campaign they hit up, one thing they clear: the fight for Edo never end, and APC they ready to take am to the next level. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Isan Northeast Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.